The ants are often associated with mealybugs in two ways relationship. The ants benefit by feeding on the honeydews produce, and in return, they protect mealybug from predators and parasites. Naturally occurring predators of mealybugs are ladybird beetle, green-brown lacewing, chrysopa spider, manures, pirate bug, and larvae of predaceous midges. The mealybug destroyers, or lady beetle and cryptolamus, are most important of these predators in mealybug affected areas. Whatever is the danger to human, this nature's settlement for this creature is beauty indeed. You see in this local video, this is cotton crop, and in cotton crop you see the big black ants are nourishing the mealybug, which is harmful for cotton indeed, but the black ants are using this mealybug as a food source. The honeydews excreted by this mealybug is very precious food for them, and they gently looking after their feeding source. So that's the beauty of the nature. Nature always express and make us very surprising feelings. Nature is beautiful.